graveyard enchiladas. Oh yeah, it's meaty, it's cheesy, and it's easy. I'm gonna show you what to do. Katie, if you could please, I like to always chop up some lettuce or really just get the shredded in a bag from the produce section. So that's just iceberg she's gonna shred up. And then the jalapenos I like to put in the recess and the free space in the dish. So just slice those in half lengthwise.
Okay, sounds easy.
Over here on my pan, I've started the flavor, which is super simple. It's just onions, salt, pepper, cumin, and then I've added in some jalapenos. This is just rotisserie chicken that you can actually buy already shredded off the bone for you, or you can get it off the rotisserie chicken, putting that in and mix it around. This is a cup of diced tomatoes with green chilies, also really big in San Antonio, with a big old block of cheese for some nacho sauce. And now's a good time just to bring it off of the heat. And then
Katie,
I add in some of the
That was
cheese.
a wedding gift for Katie, rotisserie chicken.
Was it?
Oh, yeah, rotisserie chicken and
love
no-bake desserts.
All right, so I've got some corn tortillas that are warmed. You can like microwave them really quick, toss them in a warm oven. A lot of times people also will just dip them in some hot oil, but this is a real safe way to do it. Yeah, it happens. Oh, I do it all the time.
It's gluten-free,
Yeah.
by the way.
So just a little bit of your filling there.
Huh? True.
A lot of bit. And then simply just roll it over, seam side down, and I like to place them in my dish perpendicular to the actual short side, and just keep on going. Kelly,
You wanna
Katie,
do
you
some?
wanna help? Yeah.
Yeah. Put me some chicken on here and we'll get rolling.
Really simple to do.
And this would be fun if the kids want to make it with you or make it together.
It is a fun, simple assembly. No, folding in of the edges like a burrito or anything like that. I've got the enchiladas.
Oh, I like that trick.
And then right in the center, I like to place the jalapenos. I just love a roasted or fried jalapeno with a Mexican dish as an aside, just to kind of like slice into it.
Corriado.
Yeah, and because it's Halloween and we want to keep all of the ghouls away, a little bit of garlic.
Oh, wow.
You know what I mean? Put that in the center. I love a nice tender piece of garlic. And then I'm gonna bring it over here. Now, there are many things you can do. You can do like a red sauce. You can do verde, like a green sauce, but I love a mole that I did not work for. How many ingredients are in mole sauce?
A lot.
20.
It could be anywhere from 10 to 15 to 30 ingredients. So
Wow.
you can just go to the grocery store and buy something that you reconstitute with water. And because this is super simple, that's what I'm doing. Just some mole sauce over the top, nice and thick and rich. And usually the one you find in the grocery store, all you have to do is add water or, even some chicken stock will do the trick. I'm gonna put this into the oven
doing it
for about 25, 30 minutes at 375.
Oh, here we go.
We still haven't added the graveyard reveal yet. This is gonna be a graveyard, right?
It's gonna be a graveyard, yes. So
Is
we're
it?
not done yet. Look at that. Yum, yum.
I mean, the jalapenos kind of look like they're in the graveyard.
They do a
don't
little bit, right? So to make
So
this the
cute.
super simple graveyard enchiladas, we just simply took some flour tortillas. If you're artistic, you can kind of freestyle with a paring knife if you like. You can also just print something out online and trace around it with the knife.
Cute. I love that.
Yeah, hello, right? So
So easy to do, but it just
And then,
sets the
know.
spirit for everything.
just kind
pun
of put it in
intended.
there.
Okay, I'm kind of obsessed with this.
Someone's gonna jump out.
All right, there we go.
Ooh,
Oh, a
So cute.
cat.
Yeah, well, you gotta
Really
have a
lost
kitty
her
cat.
marbles.
Oh,
There it
Love
is.
Love it.
that's
Oh.
Okay.
What
Let's
about the
get
rest
these
in
out.
peace thing?
Serve
Do you
it
have one of
up.
those?
She's giving me that corner piece.
You
That's
want that
how I know
corner
she
piece?
loves me.
You want that? Oh, you know I love you, Alex.
This
Okay.
is great.
That
Those
is like-
cool October nights if you're in the Northeast. This
I
is
just
perfect.
think this is kiddie, but it's also very adult. That's what I like. I like when there are kid dishes
And a
that
pe-
honor the adults.
Everybody eats the same thing.
And a
then.
pitcher of margaritas. Hello.
And then you might need a little bit of grass.
Oh.
Ooh, how about a spicy margarita
Spicy
with it?
chili around the rim.
Yes.
a spicy margulita.
Oh, God, you too. This is I like the way this smells already.
Also important, right? You can only like sustain, these kids, they're just chock full of nougat and caramel. They need
a
some
big plate.
sustenance at the end of the night.
Jeff, I'm sending this one down to you.
Oh,
This is so comforting.
dead.
I love the taste of the chicken. I love all the flavors.